Bestie, real talk na naman tayo. Kung curious ka if this will work for you, honestly, yes. Kasi it worked for me. As in, ako mismo, nasa system and I'm using it. And 100% satisfied with it. Pero alam mo kung sino talaga makakasagot niyan? Ikaw, bestie. Kasi you'll never know unless you try. Kaya nga, I'm letting you try it for 5 or 10 days muna. Walang pressure, walang commitment. Try mo lang. And if you decide na i-try mo, bestie, ako bahala sa'yo. I will guide you para ma-maximize mo yung results in short span of time. Para after your trial, ikaw mismo yung makakapag-decide kung ipagpapatuloy mo kasi nasabi mong, grabe, I never felt this better. I never felt this good before. 'Di ba? Or ititigil mo kasi same lang naman sa ilang libong weight loss products na trinay mo na. 'Di ba? So, no big deal. Walang talo kasi sanay na tayo sa walang resulta. At bestie, kung ang issue mo is mahal, wait lang. Don't scroll muna. Let's be honest. 315 per day? Bestie, that's literally nothing compared sa gastos mo kapag hindi mo inayos health mo ngayon. Like imagine, meds, check-ups, uric attacks na parang surprise guest, cholesterol na ayaw bumaba. Tapos, stress eating kapag stress ka sa health mo. Bestie, lugoy tayo doon. Pero if 315 per day can help you feel lighter, better, energized, at hindi ka natakot sa symptoms mo, worth it na siya. As in, yes na yes, kaya ayun, bestie. Try mo muna before this year ends para pagpasok ng 2026, healthier and better na ang pakiramdam mo. Ako bahala sa'yo. Let's see how good you can actually feel with a Feel Great system.